Peana mpira juu, tumpigie makofi Mheshimiwa Rais.
Ino niyo miruthi ya gitaro kia Africa Malkia Strikers, airitu aria marathamakire bururi-ini wa Cameroon, mbitika cia gwetha timu nguthi iria ikaigira kihitahitano-ini kia Olympics.
That is Chemutai.
Aya, matiũĩ kuhotwo ni taki.
That is Chumba.
Thikũ nini hituku marahũrire timu inya kĩrũmanĩrĩrio na kwĩgatĩra tigiti ũcio wa Japan. Malkia Strikers marehaririria gũthiĩ mbitika iria mũthaki o wothe thĩ yothe akoragwo etereire na kingi mbitika cia Olympics. Icera rĩao thingira wa Iregi gũcemania na mũtongoria wa bũrũri nĩrĩa kuumba thũmbĩ ũhotani ũrĩa maronire Yaounde, Cameroon, thutha wa kũhota ene kũrĩa marathakagĩra Cameroon, arĩa matũraga mamacũgitaga na makoragwo kaingĩ igũrũ rĩao.
What joy and pleasure to be here to celebrate your success. It is a success that is the direct result of your hard work.
Timu ino ĩrĩa ĩna kocha mwerũ Paul Bitok irahũrire Egypt arĩa moĩkaine Afrika ng'ima, Nigeria hamwe na Botswana.
We are not going like we are the African champions. We are going to make history in Olympic this year.
We have said that we all would love to bring a medal back home. But that is not the important aspect. What we would love to see in Tokyo is that as we watch you, we can say, whatever you come, did you see those Kenyan girls and did you see how they played? Huh? Whatever it is that you bring, already you have won, as far as some of us are concerned.
Riu mena mufango wa mehaririria maritu gutanakinya mweri wa mugwanja tariki 24 riria makaigira Japan mekwambiriria guku bururi-ini matanathie nja wa bururi.
The coach has already prepared a training program. We will train at Kasarani for 3 months. Then they would like to have 4 weeks in Turkey and Slovenia. Then before going to Japan, where we shall be hosted by the Japanese.
And we are committed to providing them with the facilities that they need to train. From whenever they tell us, they're ready to start training until they go to Tokyo.
Na hiyo unasikia kama wanataka kuenda muende, kama ni huko waende. Whatever it is that they need to do, to prepare themselves to face the world, we must give them and we must support them.
Munyaka wa guthie thingira wa Iregi ni gukorwo ndungiaga kuma na kiondo guku. Minister wa Ugendi Najib Balala augite niyo mekuhumba timu ino.
Because it's the name of Kenya, it must be magical to be a hero of Kenya. That's why we said we are ready to brand them as Magical Kenya, Kenya Tourism Board. So we will brand them as Magical Kenya. So that is the reward from us.
Mbitika cia Olympic cianĩkaga thutha wa mĩaka 4 na mwaka ũyũ cirambĩrĩria kuma tariki 24 wa mũgwanja nginya tariki 9 mweri wa 8. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, yetagwo mũitĩrĩri wa Wangari.